Aussie smokers will be reminded of the consequences of the harmful habit beyond the packaging, with the introduction of new warning labels on individual cigarette sticks. The move is one of many new mandatory changes to tobacco products set to come into effect from Tuesday. A cigarette with a warning makes health messaging unavoidable, as the wording is printed on the filter which doesn't burn down, according to a joint statement released by Quit and Cancer Council. The Department of Health and Aged Care said one of 8 on-product health messages must be duplicated on opposite sides of the filter of every cigarette. Australia is the second country in the world to introduce warnings on individual sticks, following Canada, with phrases to include "causes 16 cancers" and "damages your lungs." Professor Sarah Durkin of Cancer Council Victoria said updated messaging was essential to deter Australians from smoking. Graphic health warnings have long proven effective in increasing knowledge about the harms of smoking, preventing smoking uptake and encouraging people who smoke to quit, she said. But evidence has shown that the effectiveness of the current warnings has decreased over time, as people have become accustomed to seeing the images. Quit director Rachel Anderson said the changes would act as a disincentive to smoke and a bridge to support services. "Our hope is that these new changes will provide new education to people who smoke about the harms at the same time as informing them of the supports to quit," she said. Cancer Council's Tobacco Issues Committee chairperson Alicia Brooks said the organization was proud to see the changes come into effect, making Australia one of the first countries to require evidence-based health promotion inserts and on-stick messaging. "It's not lost on us that, despite Australia's relatively low prevalence, smoking is still a top public health priority," she said. "While 66 Australians die from smoking-related illness every day, we'll continue doing all we can to end the lethal impact of tobacco." Retailers have been given a 3-month grace period from Tuesday, however, during which they may sell through stock that complies with old legislation.